New at noon, the second annual Black Men's Conference on Mental Health is coming up, and joining us now to tell us all about the conference is Sharon Jones with Parole to Pride. How are you, Sharon?
Fine, how are you?
I am doing okay, and thank you so much for joining us here.
You're welcome.
So tell us about the importance of mental health when it comes to men.
Men, it's taboo with them, and it's also taboo in the in our community. So we want to make sure that we have a panel that deals with their emotional health, mental health, their social mental health, and also their psychological mental health. So a lot of times men won't talk about what they're going through. They kind of be introverts when it comes to their mental health, macho type.
Yes, macho indeed. They are always taught, especially when they're during their upbringing as a child, to always remain so strong, not realizing that it's okay to have a breaking point, so to speak. But we don't want them to get to that breaking point.
Right.
Tell us about the conference and the panel that you actually assembled for this.
Well, the panel that I selected spiritual part of it because we want to deal with the total man. We also selected a therapist. We also selected a doctor. The keynote speaker is actually a professor at Tougaloo College, I believe, in Jackson, and he's also a minister. And we selected Dr. Cato. He's a heart specialist. So we want to take care of the total man while we're on this conference.
And I thought also, too, it was kind of quite interesting that you also have a former police officer or a police officer on this panel, former police officer on this panel. What is the message that you're hoping that the men will take away when it comes to their mental health?
That they have a space that they can talk about it, you know, even if they have to get therapy for it, or if you don't have to get therapy, that you can talk to someone about what you're going through, and that kind of helps you overcome some of those things that are challenging you mentally.
And when it comes to the mental health conference, when is it happening again?
It is Saturday, 10 a.m. at the MUW campus at the Nissan Auditorium. Registration is free. We invite women and mature teenagers to be a part of this conference because they can learn and they can see those signs that men are going through mentally to help them.
All right. Well, thank you so much there, Sharon, for joining us this afternoon. We'll be